Work up your spirit, let the rhythms entwine, echoing chants right, lost in time. Embracing the night in this vibrant dance under the stars, we continue our trance. Sunlight filters his body swirl, feet tap into the groove. Chants rise and weave, echoing through the vibrant floor. A heartbeat of the crowd, together we explore.
Rhythms pulse, igniting flames inside. Basslines driving deep, leaving worries behind. Dancing silhouettes, lost in the sound. In this moment of magic, we are
Sunlight filters his body swirl, feet tap into the groove. Chants rise and weave, echoing through the vibrant floor. A heartbeat of the crowd, together we explore.
rhythms pulse, igniting flames inside. Bassline driving deep, leaving worries behind. Dancing silhouettes, lost in the sound. In this moment of magic, we are alone.
As the echoes fade, tranquility remains, lingering warmth as the sunlight wanes.
Memories of laughter and energy that blend. A journey through rhythms where the soul transcends.
When gentle whispers of the night echoes start to rise, echo like stars set in the groove of life. Runs through the beats, bows in harmony with the moon. A warm glow surrounds, inviting souls to move. Feel the rhythm take hold, body sway and spin. Deep bass drumming, it's where the night begins. Lights flash, dances twirl in this vibrant embrace. Laughter mingles with the sound, joy radiates in this way. body sway and spin. Deep bass drumming is where the night begins. Lights flash, dancers twirl in this vibrant embrace. Laughter mingles with the sound, joy radiates in this space. As the night deepens, the beat softly fades, memories linger, and dreams of moonlit parade.
Ocean waves whispering beneath the sun. African rhythm pulse, inviting hearts to move. John's echo softly, flutes dance in the breeze. Colors swirl like paint under skies that ignite. Feel the energy rise, souls unite and soar. Melodies intertwine, lifting spirits evermore. In this vibrant space, the world fades away. As the rhythm guides us, we let the music play. African rhythms pulse, inviting the hearts to move. Chants echo softly flows, dance in the breeze. Colors swirl like paint under skies that ignite. Feel the energy rise, souls unite and soar. Melodies intertwine, lifting spirits evermore. In this vibrant space, the world fades away. As the rhythm guides us, we let the music play. Slowly, baby, softly the waves return. Holy night, bringing calm to the night. Lush layers of seas, harmony in every beat. Basslines groove, ignite.
dawn draws near, melodies of unity, memories held dear. With every heartbeat, the journey remains. In melodic dreams, we dissolve the chains. Sunlit breezes whisper through the palm trees. Lush layers of synth, harmony in every beat. Basslines move, igniting joy, inviting you to move. Feel the rhythm take control, hearts align, voices rise, chants woven in the air we share. Dancing shadows beneath the open sky, lost in the music where the dreams collide. Waves of song crash, creation unfolds. Echoes of laughter, stories waiting to be told. Together we sway under moonlit delight. An endless journey through the magical night. Feel the rhythm take control, hearts align, voices rise, chants woven in the air we share. Dancing shadows beneath the open sky, lost in the music where the dreams collide. Softly the echoes linger as dawn draws near, melodies of unity, memories held dear. With every heartbeat, the journey remains. In melodic dreams, we dissolve the chains. La la been lost. A steady heartbeat pulses, igniting the flow. Perk up your spirit, let the rhythms entwine. Echo in chants right, lost in time. Embracing the night in this vibrant dance under the stars, we continue our trance. Sunlight filters his body swirl, feet tap into the groove. Chants rise and weave, echoing through the vibrant floor. A heartbeat of the crowd, together we explore.
Rhythms pulse, igniting flames inside. Bassline driving deep, leaving worries behind. Dancing silhouettes, lost in the sound. In this moment of magic, we are
Sunlight filters his body swirl, feet tap into the groove. Chants rise and weave, echoing through the vibrant floor. A heartbeat of the crowd, together we explore.
rhythm pulse, igniting flames inside. Baseline driving deep, leaving worries behind. Dancing silhouettes, lost in the sound. In this moment of magic, we are alone.
As the echoes fade, tranquility remains, lingering warmth as the sunlight wanes.
Memories of laughter and energy that blend. A journey through rhythms where the soul transcends.
And maybe when jello whispers of the night, echoes start to rise. Echo like stars set in the groove alive. Run through the beats, rolls in harmony with the moon. A warm glow surrounds, inviting souls to move. Feel the rhythm take hold, body sway and spin. Deep bass drumming, it's where the night begins. Lights flash, dancers twirl in this vibrant embrace. Laughter mingles with the sound, joy radiates in this space. Gentle whispers of the night, echoes start to rise. They twinkle like stars set in the groove alive. Good therapy pulse in harmony with the moon. A warm glow surrounds, inviting souls to move. Feel the rhythm take hold, body sway and spin. Deep bass drumming, where the night begins. Lights flash, dancers twirl in this vibrant embrace. Laughter mingles with the sound, joy radiates in this space.
beneath the sun. African rhythm pulse, inviting hearts to move. John's echo softly, flutes dance in the breeze. Colors swirl like paint under skies that ignite. Feel the energy rise, souls unite and soar. Melodies intertwine, lifting spirits evermore. In this vibrant space, the world fades away as the rhythm guides us. We let the music play. African rhythms pulse, inviting the hearts to move. Chants echo softly flows, dance in the breeze. Colors swirl like paint under skies that ignite. Feel the energy rise, souls unite and soar. Melodies intertwine, lifting spirits evermore. In this vibrant space, the world fades away as the rhythm guides us. We let the music play. Slowly, baby, softly the waves return. Midnight, bringing calm to the night. Lush layers of thieves, harmony in every beat. Basslines groove, igniting joy, inviting you to move.
Feel the rhythm take control. Hearts align, voices rise, chants woven in the air we share. Dancing shadows beneath the open sky. Lost in the music, where the dreams collide. Waves of sound crash, creation unfolds. Echoes of laughter, stories waiting to be told. Together we sway under moonlit delight. An endless journey through the magical night. Take control, hearts align, voices rise, chants woven in the air we share. Dancing shadows beneath the open sky. Lost in the music, where the dreams collide. Feel the rhythm take control, hearts align, voices rise, chants woven in the air we share. Dancing shadows beneath the open sky. Lost in the music, where the dreams collide. Softly the echoes linger as dawn draws near. Melodies of unity, memories held dear. With every heartbeat, the journey remains. In melodic dreams, we dissolve the chains. Sunlit breezes whisper through the palm trees. Afro drum pulse with life, calling us near. Lush layers of synth, harmony in every beat. Basslines move, igniting joy, inviting you to move. Feel the rhythm take control, hearts align, voices rise, chants woven in the air we share. Dancing shadows beneath the open sky. Lost in the music, where the dreams collide. Waves of sound crash, creation unfolds. Echoes of laughter, stories waiting to be told. Together we sway under moonlit delight. An endless journey through the magical night. Feel the rhythm take control, hearts align, voices rise, chants woven in the air we share. Dancing shadows beneath the open sky. of unity, memories held dear. With every heartbeat, the journey remains. In melodic dreams, we dissolve the chains.